you subscribe to our new channel, Taryl Fixes All Skids? What are you waiting for? Go over there and subscribe, or I'm going to hit you with this hammer. Pterodactyl here. Today I'm going to show you how to move a fitting. We're going to move a fitting on a metal tank from one end to the other. But before we start the video, I want you to do something for me, and that's subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also check out our web store. We got all kinds of stuff, like this beautiful shirt, and this fancy spark plug necklace, and this I bleed gas and oil hat. You know, all three of these would look good on you. And I'll start the video. So I've already done it on this tank, as you can see. So it will work. So the fitting I got is a brass reducer bushing, it's called. This one's 1/8 to 1/8. This one I had laying around was 1/8 to 1/4 inch pipe. So I'm going to take a center punch and then I got the drill for 1/8 pipe tap, which is 11/32. And then I'll take the pipe tap and then I'm going to thread it. Now the reason I'm moving this from one end to the other is this tank is for the wheelie horse. Remember the wheelie horse? And a lot of the problem I think I'm having when I'm doing wheelies is the gas is coming out of here. So when I'm doing a wheelie, I'm up in the air like this, and the gas, I'm not getting any gas. So a lot of times it starts to flutter like it's running out of gas. So I need to move this fitting. Now with a pipe tap, you don't want to tap it all the way down. Plus we're only in sheet metal. That's why we're going to have to solder it. Alright. And another thing I want to do is I don't want a lot of this sticking through on the inside, so I'm probably going to grind some of these threads off. So I just want to test fit it, see how far down it goes. Take a look inside. I could see where it was. It went down about that far. So I'm just going to grind a little bit off the end, just so it's not sticking up too high. So I'm going to buff this paint away too. And I also buffed this clean. And this is an old, this thing I'm using as a tool to hold it. This is part of a wand from a pressure washer. Pressure scrubber wand. I believe this is stainless steel, so I kept that. Took apart the old wand and thought, you know what, that's 1/8 pipe. I can use that on something. Alright. So now, I got me some 50-50 solder. 50% tin, 50% lead. I can smell some gas fumes. So I'm gonna rinse this tank out with some water. That'll seal her right up. And then I'll put my petcock in there. And then we'll have the fuel down here on this end. I got gas in it. Hear it? Not leaking. See it? So that's what you can do if you need to add or move a gas fitting on a metal gas tank. And there's your gas tank dinner. That's a liquid dinner. This is a little appetizer to go with your liquid dinner.